Say I'm new to TikTok and I want to learn more about industrial automation or controls, and I want to get into this field. All right. Now, if I was in that situation, if I was in your shoes or somebody like that shoes, and I'm on TikTok, these are the top 5 profiles that I would follow. It's Automate America. This is one of my favorite profiles because now you have the opportunity to job hunt. This profile is going to provide you jobs and contract jobs available across the whole U.S. that is available, and sometimes I think Canada and Mexico as well too, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong. But this is a great profile to follow if you're job hunting, and it's all about industrial automation and PLCs. And now, if you want to learn specifically about PLCs and everything about PLCs, you want to be a PLC programmer, you want to learn how to program PLCs, you want to be a controls engineer, this is the profile for you. Because not only does this profile provide a course that you can also get in the link in my bio, I think you can get the course for $1 with a 7-day trial. Now, that's the link in the bio. I'm just saying. But, long story short, though, this profile actually has an online course that you can take to learn PLCs and how to program PLCs. Okay, so this is Kusel Controls. I hope I said that correctly. But like the bio says, you are going to get the fundamentals about controls. Now, and I mean, you're going to get far more than just the fundamentals. You're going to get in-depth understanding, and it's going to take you to the next level of understanding the why of why things are happening and how things are happening. So, yes, this is a profile that I would follow. Next is logical controls. Now, I really like this profile because you're going to learn a lot more of the electrical side of controls than anything else. You're going to understand why relays are relays and how to utilize relays and how to wire up relays and how to implement relays into your programs. I love this profile. Keep doing your good job. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep doing the good job. And last but not least, this is one of my favorite profiles here on TikTok, and that is CK Maintenance. When it comes to industrial automation and learning industrial automation and working in this field, this is by far one of my favorite profiles. You have to follow them. If you're not following them already, what are you doing? What are you waiting on? You have to follow this profile to learn about industrial automation, and this is a number one for me. Of anybody that's in industrial automation, you have to follow this profile. Alright, so now all these profiles are tagged below so that you can follow them, okay? If you are interested in industrial automation or PLCs or robotics or mechatronics or anything of the sort, listen, you have to follow these 5 profiles here on TikTok. This is for you. This is going to take you to the next level, alright, when it comes to troubleshooting, learning the skills for online courses, job hunting. These profiles are dedicated for you. And I tag them right here below so that you can follow them. This is for you.